Hello guys, today we're going down to South Park to open up the South Park minifigures from 2010 that I got at Comic-Con. And we know they're from 2010 based on the sign here, when the camera wants to focus, of course. There we go, 2010. Now, when I got these guys, and for cheap too, the box was already in a pretty bad condition. As you can see, it's already hanging open, so we might as well finish up the work. And there, we can see that Stan is on it. I would just take them out. There they are, out of their box glory. Here's the box one last time. South Park, South Park, South Park, South Park, South Park, South Park, South Park. It says it's Series 1. I wonder if they did make more of these. And it's a collector's box. Series 1, age 18 plus. Well, that's just a suggestion. Anyway, on to the figures. Let's begin with Kenny McCormick. We'll just pull him out like this. There we go. There. Let's just give him a quick turn. Yeah, pretty good. You ever notice that Kenny looks like a Pixar lamp when turned to the side? Yeah, interesting. I noticed that these figures have a hole in the bottom. Not sure what it's for. Maybe they're... No, that wouldn't fit on the back of a pencil. I thought they were for that, but not really. And, yep, they smell like real plastic. Oops. There we go. Up next is Stan Marsh. There he is. Let's turn him around from the pom-pom on his beanie. Whoa! I've never been out of the box before. Is that a window? Pretty sure. Whoa! You haven't heard the word of the box. Alright, Kenny. Up next is Eric Cartman. Okay, let's see if I can take him out. I'm actually having trouble. Oh, there we go. Came off pretty easily, actually. Ah, stop! Put me down! Alright, so there's front from the back. That's pretty accurate. As long as he's big, that's all that matters. Who are you calling big? Alright, anyway. There's Eric. Next is Kyle Brufflowski. Better not say it, Eric. See him? From the front view. Back. Some of the paint in the bottom's falling off, but it's alright. Oh, it's already the Canon main gang. And it came with one more figure, with that being Stoch. Now, bro's head is literally a starfish. Let's tilt him up. Whoops. Ow! My fault, bud. Hard plastic, by the way. Yeah, it's Stoch. And yeah, that's about it. Here you got Kenny, Stan, Eric, Kyle, and Stoch. Fun fact, did you know Butter's real name is Leopold? What? No way! Alright, and that's about it. Yeah, I was trying to find that character sounded like Instagram voice memo of Stoch, but yeah, I didn't find it, so yeah, that's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Now let's go down to South Park to have ourselves a time.